Hello, this video will explain how to create an animated subscribe button for YouTube channel using Camtasia. So if you want to watch more amazing tutorials like this, do remember to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and share. In this channel, I create basic software review, I create tutorials on Google AdSense, monetization, and how to grow your YouTube channel. So if you want to create a subscribe button animation using Camtasia, first of all you download a version of a subscribe button from Pixabay. So once you download it, you now head on to your Camtasia. Once you open your Camtasia, you can also right click and click on project settings to change the background settings. So once you click on the icon, you navigate and choose any color you want, then you now click apply. So now once you're done doing that, you click on import media. Once you click on import media, you now locate the file you've downloaded, the subscribe button file. So once you locate the file, you click on open. Now this is the file I downloaded from Pixabay. Now you hold and drag to your timeline. So now if you preview it to see, now once you preview, and we all know that you cannot make use of it using this background. So if you want to change the background right now to have only the image, you click on more, then you click on visual effects. So once you click on visual effects, you now scroll down to remove color. You now hold and you apply to it. So once you're done doing that, you now click at this icon, you click at your selection tool and you now click. Now you've succeeded in removing the color from the subscribe button. So as you can see, you can as well save this image and use it subsequently. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to share if this video is helpful. Thank you.